Y'all see that? See the moon? That's the moon. And then the star right there, right? What you are looking at is the crescent moon with the star. You're looking at the Islamic flag or whatever the fuck. You know. Period. Okay, you see what I'm saying? Now, it's a number of things I want to speak on and that. You know, I don't do the car thing much no more because my car rattling a bitch, like it makes some of that ragged ass noise or something. So you really can't hear me that well. So I gotta like talk kind of loud and speak kind of straight to the phone and shit like that. So anyway, you know what I'm saying? Y'all can see it better now. Oh, light pollution. That's what that's one of our problems. Light pollution. All these fluorescent lights are really not good for you. Period. I ain't even gonna get into that. But anyway, now, one or two things here. For one, all right, if we on the ball, I want y'all to think about this for a second. Think about it. If we on the ball and we floating through the world, through space, all right. Now this is what NASA teaches. What they didn't really teach y'all, but this is what they'll say if you ever, investigate. We are going, thousands of miles around the sun. We also are spinning. All right, because we on a ball apparently. We also are spinning like what? Thousands of miles an hour, right? And the phone is also ringing at 10 something. Hold on, maybe I can pause and answer the phone. That's my wife. Nope, I just declined. I had divorce. Anyway, so if we on the ball and we spinning and shit, right? Okay, so it's and then the moon is going around, spinning around us, right? And then we spinning around the sun. Now this is something they didn't teach us in school, but this is what they'll tell you once you go investigate. The sun supposedly is actually moving through space as well, and it's going around an even bigger star. All right, Alcyon or some shit like that. I don't know. But anyway, that's our universe. That's what they're gonna tell you our universe is. Our universe is us randomly spinning around a ball. Remember, everything blew up. Random blew up. But after millions of billions of years or what have you, developed a fucking pattern and fell into it perfectly, right? And listen to what I'm saying. In this random ass Big Bang, right? It fell into such a perfect pattern that every year we have this phenomenon where we have a star meeting the moon's crescent. All right? This is obviously not random, considering see the star on the moon. Okay. This is obviously not random, considering it's on many flags over the world, and it's in many ancient times. The crescent moon, and the star. All right, the morning star, Lucifer, Venus, Sirius, and later on in the Bible, Jesus. Okay, so anyway, now we spinning random. Remember, this is random. Okay, I put in a post to say the Earth is flat, and everybody want to tell me how it's round. Okay, so listen to what you saying. You saying that everything in life is fucking random chance. The Big Bang blew the fuck up, and one day, fish said, "You know what? Goddammit, I want legs. Fuck it." No, matter of fact, how the hell did the fish get here? Okay, the minerals, nigga. Sand and shit, nigga. It decided to say, fuck it, I want to move around, so I'm gonna start swimming, and it became a fish. No kind of nobody told it to, nobody gave it the idea. That hoe said, fuck it, I want to be a fish. So it turned into a fish by itself. You know what? With that, if you look at the Big Bang from what they tell you, then man is God. I mean, duh, because it evolved from a fucking mineral, right? To a fish, to a lizard, to a monkey, to a man. Like, that's God. Like, if that's true, right, then that's God. It had to be a fucking genius to know that it can transmutate itself out of randomness right? That's gotta be a God. Okay, all right. So anyway, and also, okay, so we spin in random, but yet we fall into a perfect pattern where our moon do the same shit every year, and the stars do the same shit every year, even though we in a 26,000 year cycle around a greater sun. Common sense would be 10,000 years ago, right? We on a different side of the universe, right? It's billions of random stars out there, right? They not in no pattern, or are they? Oh, okay. So if we on the other side of the universe, we're not gonna have the same shit in our fucking skies. Oh my God, is this like, right? Am I a genius here? No, hell no, because somebody explained this to me. But yeah, these people will argue with you. They will argue with you. I asked the dude, okay, bro, they didn't lie to us about our history, right? Yeah, I know, but they didn't lie about the earth. How the fuck you know? Come on. So anyway, like, we random, yet this happens randomly. So you know what we need to start doing? We need to start going to the church of randomness. All praise the coincidences. Like, because life is a big ass, just unplanned ass coincidence. And that coincidence apparently just means random act of nothingness. And we get same astrological aspects in the sky, right? And right, if I come outside in an hour, or let's say it's 7:45. If I come outside at 12 o'clock, right, the moon gonna be done moved across the sky, right? Because it's going around us. That star shouldn't be nowhere near it, right? Common sense, right? Because the moon's by us. The stars are millions and billions of miles away, right? So if that moon is moving, the stars shouldn't have any, right, no congruency about it with the moon, correct? Because it's billions of miles away from it, right? I bet I come out here at 4 o'clock in the morning, but shit gonna look the same. So what? We didn't move that much then? Oh, but the sun's finna come up. So we had to move some. At the very least, we had to spin right. Oh, okay. We're gonna spin like, and the moon gonna still be in the same, well, it's gonna be across the sky, what have you. But that star gonna be in the same spot in conjunction with the moon. That's impossible. That don't even make. So anyway, all right, like, you can prove your flat earth shit going outside and looking up, right? You ain't gotta Google nothing. Just go outside and you see the sun and the moon right behind the clouds. You say, that's obviously not hundreds and thousands of miles away. Common sense. Peace.